How to fix digital well-being not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve screen time tracking and app timer issues on your Android device. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. Following that, check if digital well-being is enabled and tracking properly. Now, if data isn't showing, tap on the three dots at the top right. Moving forward, select Manage Your Data. Afterwards, tap on Delete All Data and then start Fresh Tracking. In addition to that, go back to Main Settings. Once there, scroll down and tap on Apps. Subsequently, find and tap on Digital Wellbeing in the app list. Moreover, tap on Storage and then Clear Cache. Afterwards, also tap on Clear Data to reset the app completely. Then restart your Android device. Within this section, check if your date and time are set correctly. Alternatively, go to Settings and tap on General Management or System. Once there, tap on Date and Time. Then enable Automatic Date and Time. Afterwards, go back to Digital Wellbeing settings. Then reconfigure your app timers and focus mode settings. Moreover, make sure battery optimization isn't affecting digital well-being. Afterwards, go to Settings, Apps, Digital Well-being, then Battery. Then select Unrestricted to allow proper background tracking. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix digital well-being not working on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.